So welcome back to the channel, and in this video I am going to unbox the Legend Air of the Google Cloud Arcade program. Most of you are asking how to get them. You can just check the video description. I have attached the link. From there you can participate and get yours free of cost. Now currently what are the contents? Let me just show you one by one every goodie. So first we have the logo set, second we have the USB hub, and third we have this cool pen set. So okay. So these are the pen sets which I have received from the arcade team as a participant of the arcade program. And here we have a simple bag over here, right? So this is the bag you can see, and this is how our bag looks like. It is full of simple components. For example, it contains USB hub inside it, means the connection for connecting to USB. Let me just show you how it looks, initial impressions. So this is the bag. It's a very simple bag with a lock, means the lock key. Most people are asking what is the code for the lock. So it's 000. Now let me just open it and show you the inside interior view. So here you can see this is our bag, and it has padded look, some compartments for storing some of the things. This is the USB hub. Inside you can keep your power bank also, and the contents also. As compared to the previous Legend tire, it is little bit cheaper in appearance. Okay, so I won't suggest you are using it for just keeping your laptop, etc. Okay, just use it for normal books and normal travel. Do not use your heavy and delicate item. Otherwise, chances are there it may get broken also. You can see we have the lock also. 000 is the lock. Most people were asking how to lock your bag. So 000 is the code. So this thing is covered. Now we'll move forward to our next swag. So let's see. This is the light, which is the main highlight of these swags. So here it consists of multiple lights. You can use it as a camping light also. It is powered by Type C. You can charge it also and use it. Now let me just show you the contents over here. So this is the light. You can see this is the light, and you can just press. There are two buttons on the left side and on the right side also. One side is for changing colors and one side is for just increasing the brightness or using the normal lamp light. See, it is just like, means if you keep on the table, mostly it won't fall directly. See, so like this you can keep it also if you want. So here we have the contents, and let me show you how you can plug it in Type C mode. So here you can see the Type C compartment is there, where you can just plug it and play. So like this you can plug it also, and after that what you can do, you can just see another Type A, you can plug on the charger socket. So this is the most importantly the camping light, you can say. Now we'll move forward to the next swag, that is a logo set. So here inside it, let me just open it first of all. So it contains some of the logo bricks. Okay, you have to do it just like a solve like a puzzle. So these are the puzzle. Okay, you can see these are the puzzles, and this is the instruction manual which you have to read and try to solve it yourself. So this is a very simple puzzle, but it looks complex. If you are willing to solve it, you can comment down below, and let's see who is willing to complete this puzzle. Also, if you have completed and solved it, you can share the video with me too. We'll feature you on the channel. So let me just pack it again, and we are just packing it. So now we have another content, that is the blue hoodie, the main highlight of these swags. So it is also very cool, and it will help you to keep your body warm, mostly in winters, because the quality of hoodies which White Square is providing is really very great. So you can comment down below whichever swags you like the most and just review it. As per you, what do you think about that particular swag? So here we have another swags. The hoodie, you can see it has a Google logo printed on it, right? And it looks very great if you just, okay. So we are just seeing all the contents over here, and you can see it contains pocket. Unlike the normal hoodie, where we have a zip. Okay, it's not a zipper hoodie. Mostly you have to wear directly, and the quality is good, but the color I don't like the color. Comment down, did you like the color also? Here is the letter from the arcade team. So you can see these are the letters and all the contents. Now we have the most importantly, the coolest swag and the main highlight again that most people are liking, the laptop sleeve, and it's very good. Even 15-inch laptop is getting inside easily. You can see we have pouch for storing SSDs, hard disk, and even your mouse also. Okay, and the second most important thing, we'll just show you the main highlight too. So like this, you can just uh, make it as a stand also, and just keep your laptop and devices. And let me just show you the inner compartment. You can see it's completely soft, your laptop will be completely safe. But I will suggest, here we have a handle also, but do not use directly using that handle. Now coming over here to the next fact, that is the USB hub. Now here we have multiple connection ports, for example type C, USB A. Only one thing is missing, that is the HDMI connection. So it's just like I have already Portronics. Okay, see back, actually they are mostly Chinese only, and they just label it. For example, you'll see same thing in the name of Zebronics, Portronics, and different companies again and again. I'll show you if I am able to find my USB hub. Let me just check it. So yes, you can see both these are same. I am having a Portronics. You can see only the color is different. That does not matter. But the contents, the lights glowing, the Type C, Type A connection, all are totally same. So you can just understand these are mostly locally manufactured swags, not a directly Google swags. Mostly they just print the Google logo inside it, and you'll be able to see it. Now the next thing is the pen. Earlier it was supposed to have light up logo pen, but they saw lots of people are participating in this program and they could not bear the cost. That's why they sent simple pen. Also they have planned that from this cohort you'll be getting only one price counter, means only one set of swags. So these are the things which you need to understand, and here are the swags. Let me just show you. It's a magnetic pen, means when you will keep the cap near to it, the cap will be automatically attracted. So do like the video and subscribe the channel guys, and have a great day ahead. Thank you. Goodbye.